Question, if may pera ka o starting capital, pwede na ba magnegosyo? Answer, pwede naman. Pero hindi naman assurance yan na maging successful ka na negosyante. Bakit? Kasi po, kailangan ka may knowledge, skills, good location, know-how sa marketing, sa management. Kasi po ang negosyo is a very complex undertaking. May mga resources yan, financial resources, human resources, equipment, and other things na kailangan mo i-manage. So you need to be a good manager and a good business owner. All right? Points to ponder, friends. 2 thumbs up.